friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aishoma and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to read a wonderful story about the Ark of Prophet Noah alayhi salam. This is one of the most famous true stories in Islamic history. Let's start. This book's name is The Ark of Noah alayhi salam. Long ago, there lived a pious old man whose name was Noah alayhi salam. He was a prophet of Allah. In those days, people did not follow the true path. They did not worship Allah. So Allah sent Noah alayhi salam to these people to give them the message of truth. But they all refused to accept his call. He tried his best for a very long time. But no one except for a few poor people paid any heed to him. The rich people turned against Noah alayhi salam and tried to harm him. So he prayed for Allah's help, and Allah heard his prayers and answered him to build an ark. He told him that a great flood would come, which would be a punishment for bad people. So Noah alayhi salam started building a huge ark with the help of a handful believers. People laughed at him. When the vessel was ready to sail after lots and lots of hard and tiring work, Noah alayhi salam asked all the believers to go on board in the name of Allah. Allah told Noah alayhi salam to bring along a male and female of every kind of living creature as well. Noah alayhi salam had to keep enough food to feed them all for a long time. This was a big job, but Noah alayhi salam and his followers carried it out sincerely. One by one, all the animals entered the ark. Some had wings and some had legs, some crawled and some hopped. All came right into the ark in pairs. The ark became a huge barn for the animals and a safe houseboat for the believers. No sooner had all the creatures come on board and the supplies had been stored away, then black clouds began to cover the sky. First there was drizzling, then rain coming. More and more rain fell each day. Day after day, rain and more rain. The whole world seemed to be dark. It became darker and darker with strong wind blowing from every side and water rising in a huge wave as far as eyes could see. Allah commanded the floodgates of heaven to open and the ground to crack open so that the fountain of water came shooting up. The rivers overflowed and water fell in torrents. The ark rose and fell off waves as tall as mountains. More and more water came till the valleys were filled, the trees covered by the water. The hills disappeared and the mountains themselves sank out of sight. The world was like an enormous sea. The only thing one could see was water everywhere. Far down below, all those who had paid no attention to the call of Prophet Noah alayhi salam and remained on land were drowned in the mighty flood. The rain hammering on the roof and a great wind roared all around. The ark went on sailing amidst the waves. The thunder rolled and lightning flashed from the angry skies. Everyone on board was very frightened, but Noah alayhi salam kept praying to Lord for his mercy in this great moment of trial. When the flood had reached its peak, Allah commanded the earth to swallow up its water and the sky to hold back the rain. The water began to dry up. The rain had stopped. The clouds began to apart. As the level of water began to go down, the mountain peak began to rear up out of it. The ark was caught by the peak of Mountain Judi in the land of known as Turkey and rested upon it. The Prophet Noah alayhi salam and the believers who were with him thanked Allah from saving them from a sudden flood. Everyone happily came out of the ark. The animals were led to safety. Noah alayhi salam prayed, Lord, let my landing from this ark be blessed, for you alone can make me land in safety. In this way, Allah made the flood and the ark of Noah alayhi salam a sign and a warning for the future generations. The end. And that was the story of the Ark of Prophet Noah alayhi salam. It teaches us that if we listen to Allah Pak and stay faithful, He will always protect us, even in the hardest time. Friends, I'm sure you like this true story. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Friends, always obey your parents, listen to your parents, and love your parents. Bye bye.